Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix add to favorites option not showing on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If it's not showing in your TikTok, then what you have to do is just simply tap on settings and then tap on app management or apps, and here are your installed apps. So just simply search here for TikTok and then tap on permissions, and you have to enable all the permissions from here, and you have to tap on storage and cache. Just simply clear cache but not storage, then force stop the app from here, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is like this there, then what you have to do is just simply open Play Store, and then let me tell you that from here you have to check that your TikTok is updated or not. So you can see here my TikTok is not updated. So if your TikTok is not updated, just simply update your TikTok app, and after updating, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.